Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or enable USB ports in your Windows PC or laptop. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Click H key local machine. Click System. Click Current control set. Click Services. Click USB Start. Double-click Start. Change the value to 4. Close the registry and exit. Restart Windows. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.